What to pack for Spitzkoppe? Because this is not the place where you just wing it. Packing for this place is literally preparing for extremes. There's hot sun during the day, chilly desert nights, and dust. Plenty of dust in between. So let's go through this properly. Start with your essentials. First things first, water. And I mean plenty of water. More than you think you'll need, then add a bit more. There are no shops inside the reserve. There's none of that. So you need to bring all your food, supplies, and alles with you. If you're planning to braai, bring your own firewood. Don't assume you'll find any there. Stock up properly beforehand in Swakopmund or Osakos. Lighting and power, there's no electricity at the campsites, so bring a headlamp or a proper torch. Your phone flashlight won't cut it when you're walking to the toilet in the dark. Also bring a fully charged power bank. Actually bring two if you can. And if you're into photography, extra camera batteries are necessary. Sunsets and stargazing here are unreal, and you don't want your camera dying halfway through it. Clothing and personal gear. Layers and layers and layers are your best friend. Bring a fleece, a windproof jacket, something properly warm for the evenings. Desert nights can catch you off guard, especially in winter. During the day, bring a wide brim hat, sunglasses, high SPF sunscreen. That is non-negotiable. Comfortable closed walking shoes are essential. The terrain is rocky, uneven, and not forgiving if you turn up in flimsy trainers. Camping and shelter. If you're camping, think self-sufficient. Add a reusable water bottle, a basic first aid kit, extra power banks because again, there's no electricity. Make sure your tent can handle strong winds. Spitzkoppe can become blustery, and you don't want your tent attempting to relocate in the middle of the night. Food and water. Make sure to bring all your meals, your snacks, drinking water, coffee, everything. There aren't any shops, there's no rentals, there's no lighting, no last-minute supply runs. If you need it, bring it. Most importantly, a first aid kit. Don't overthink it, just bring basics. That's your plasters, painkillers, antiseptic, anything personal you might need. You're in a remote, undeveloped area. It's better to have it and not need it. Again, Spitzkoppe is remote, it's undeveloped. That is the whole point. You pack for strong winds, cold nights, blazing sun, and being completely self-sufficient. And most importantly, leave no trace. You take everything back out with you. The simple rule, if you need it, bring it. If you brought it, take it home again. Do that and you'll be absolutely fine.